Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am. It is now time for the monthly spreads in my Hobonichi cousin as well as my Hobonichi weeks. And this will actually be the last monthly spread that I do in this cousin, because then I will be moving to the July to December Hobonichi cousin event next month, but I still have quite a few left to go in my Hobonichi weeks. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to decorate both of these and the different ways that I use these. So this month I will be decorating with the cacti collection from my May new releases. And I've gotten into the, I guess, tradition of decorating the monthly spread with a collection from my previous month. And I really like being able to go through and see, like, you know, that's what I decorated for May. So I used the crocus, I used spring garden, I used daisies, I used the hearts. So I was able to use a little bit of something different from my collection every month, and I really want to continue that. Let's get started. Okay, it feels really chunky in my weeks at the moment, but okay. So the way that I use the monthly spread is specifically for my shop. I don't use this for Weight Watchers work. I use it specifically to keep track of, I'll show you last month, when my payouts are, when the new releases are. I kept it pretty blank because there wasn't a lot that happened in May, but it was a great month shop-wise. And on the side, I keep track of ideas and things like that. So I do want to try and keep track more of like courses I do for the shop, things like, you know, doing things on Skillshare and things like that. So maybe that's an idea for this month. So the collection I'm using is my cacti collection from May. So you've got the deco, and I printed this on the white matte sheet. And then you've got the circles, the quotes, and then I did the paint swatches actually in the clear matte because I want to be able to write underneath it. So I'm gonna put this quote down. But before I do, I want to use, do I want to use this washi? Yeah, let's use this washi. And I'm gonna use a circle to go with it as well. I ripped that in a way that I didn't want to. There we go. I'm just gonna rip the part off that didn't rip very well, and then take this. Yeah, like that. I don't use every single day in the monthly spread. It really is just an overview for me to basically see how my business is doing for, well, not how my business is doing for the month, but really how do I want to say this? Like where things should be in terms of like releases and payouts and things like that. So, and then I'm gonna put, let's see, do I want to put the little one? Or, yeah, let's put the little one. No. I'm gonna do this one. These cacti were so fun to make. They were a little challenging at first, learning how to make them, but once I actually had it down, I was really happy with how they worked out. I thought they were adorable. Like this little fat one. I love that one. Then I was thinking of adding some of this washi that I got from Stationery Pal. This is the plant washi, which I didn't even open. And seeing where I can incorporate that, because these look like stamps. These are different from any type of washi that I've purchased before. So oh, so they do look like proper stamps. So like if you, I'm actually just going to combine it like this on top of everything and add a little washi on top. Just trying to create like my own little collage. Okay, so the main thing for me that I need to decorate is basically that, and then I'm going to go in with my Tombow Fudenosuke pen and write in, payout is here. Oh, that pen does not work well. That's going in the bin. Does this one work well? Yeah. So payout. And then I'm going to place one of the paint swatches over top. Let's do the green. And I like these paint swatches because you could basically use them with anything. And then Friday is new releases. And I'll do that with, the yellow's gonna blend in too much, so I'm gonna do another green. Or no, let's do gray. Let's do gray. I really like these paint swatches, and they're actually, funny enough, something that I didn't expect it to be crazy popular in my shop, but the paint swatches, because they match so well with the collection, but also you can use them with almost anything. Absolutely love it. So payout, and then I think, what else do I have to keep track of? Bill. So the bill by Shopify normally comes out on the 14th. And I like to keep track of basically how much that ends up being. And then I know there's one other thing that I need to do. There's something else that I need to design for. Yes, there is a planner meetup in July somewhere in Toronto that I have to design a freebie for, or that I get to design a freebie for. Very cool. And then I also need to start thinking about the Planners Gonna Plan conference in September and what my goal is for that. But also my shop's 1-year anniversary is in August. That is crazy to me. Crazy, crazy, crazy to me. Okay. So that is done. I know there's not a lot in there, but I'm going to go in with my Pelican 140, which currently has Rohrer and Klingner Alt Gold Grün. And even before I do that, I'm going to write in the word ideas. And I am already decorating this spread when I've already done all my new releases for the month of June. So it feels a little bit like I'm doing twice as much work, but this is also going to give me, allow me to put in ideas for next month. And I'm actually really happy with the new releases so far this month. And seashells. And then I also need to write down, I did a freebie, but I need to do one for the July meetup. And that's what's there so far. And then down at the bottom, I say that I keep track of it, but I really don't anymore. I was going to keep track at the bottom here of like sales and things like that, but what I've actually done instead in my yearly overview, and it's all smudged. In my yearly overview, I keep track of my daily sales, my daily sales, so how many orders I get a day, the total sales I've had in a month, and any outgoing. So I keep track of that, and it's working really, really well for me so far. I'm actually going to add something down here at the bottom because I feel like it's just, I could leave that open for other ideas that come to me, but it does feel a little sparse. So let's add that. Add a circle. And this circle, and I think I'm going to leave that as is, and then leave the rest for the spread in my cousin. So very quick spread for the month and how I use it for my shop in my Hobonichi weeks. So let's move on to the cousin. Alright, so there is June in my cousin, and it's already so chunky on this side. I love it. So the way that I use the monthly spread in my Hobonichi cousin is both as a social media planner as well as a forward planning type of thing. So let's see, I'm gonna find the "Don't be a prick" quote. I love the sarcastic quotes. They make me laugh. And place that here. And I'm gonna place one of these plant washi stamps here because I just find that so pretty, and it adds like this antique look to the spread. If you guys are interested in that, I do have a link for that plant washi in the description below. I'm gonna add teeny tiny in here. Okay, then down here at the bottom, I don't decorate this side with too much of anything because this is actually what I use. If you look in the previous month, this is what I use, where I write down what I'm decorating my planners with for that week. So I do need the space. Yeah, I wish I could just, I think I could do that. Let's take this big sticker and place it right here. I'm gonna end up covering part of the Saturday and the Sunday, but I think it looks cute. Then adding, where did that washi go? It rolled away on me. Now, one of the questions I get asked is, how do you know where to place the stickers that won't interfere with the functionality of this spread? And to be honest, the main thing that I look for is those blank spaces where I don't actually have days of the week. So this 1, 2, 3 is for July, and then this is from May. So I don't put too much in the actual days of the month if I can help it. And then down here as well, I do add a little bit down here. I'm wondering if I should just use up some of the smaller cacti because they are cute. Oh, hello, puppy. Oh, Lucy's just walking out the door. And I mean, I could put one right here. And these are small enough that I could put them around the spread. And it won't affect it too much. Yeah, because no, that'll take up too much room if I put that there. So I'm going to put that back. I won't put that down. I love the whole cacti though. I think it's really cute. And I feel like that circle's too big. And I'm going to instead put this down. And then I'm going to go in here with, oops, oh, I hate when that happens. When you rip the washi, oh, I can hear Lucy sneezing in the background. Bless you, Lucy. And I love this washi. I'm going to be so sad when it's done. There we go. Okay, then move these to the side. There's a few things I know I need to remember. Like, I know Henry has swimming lessons here, 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 wall climbing here, 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 here. Lucy has vet appointment here. I need to think. Hold on. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is fill in the pre-planned activities. So Henry's wall climbing on the weekends, and then his swimming lessons, the kids' last day of school. Fill in the things that I do know, and then as the month goes on, I will be able to add more. And then I'm going to go ahead and write in IG and YT every day. This allows me to look at and plot out my Instagram and YouTube posts so that I'll be able to know how many videos I'm filming per month, and then have the coinciding Instagram post to go with it, or know that, you know, that particular day will only have an Instagram post and not a YouTube video. So it's really nice for me to see it overall. I think I do need to be better at keeping stats for each month, but I think it's a system that works for me overall. I don't need a whole planner just for social media. It's just being able to see where my YouTube and Instagram posts go. But I do need a better way of keeping track of coming up content, or content that is coming up. So there is my overall finished spread for my cousin. Let me grab my, where did I put my weeks? Oh, there. And I just want to compare it to what my weeks looks like here. So they both are using the exact same stickers, and there's a common theme of where I place the stickers, but the way that I'm using each of these is completely different. So this one is for my shop, and this one is for social media, as well as pre-planning for the month. But I really do love this cacti collection. It is still available in my shop. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.